This is GMA DZBB Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000-watt transmitting power authorized under temporary license number BSD 05082010, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2013. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiatan, Dangsora, Quezon City. GMA engineering is by Gilberto R. Duabit Jr. GMA transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, technicians, and first-class radio operators with license issued by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Elvis Ancheta, electronics engineer number 3575. Tomas Sales, electronics engineer number 3010. Ricardo L. Cabral, professional electronics engineer number 92. Erwin Timbre, electronics engineer number 3650. Jonathan Salvo, electronics engineer number 19705. Louis Chapin, electronics engineer number 15586. Rodrigo Cuiso, electronics engineer number 31687. Ray El Espiritu, electronics tech number 305. Joel Agu, electronics engineer number 40727. Remigio Apostol, 93-1 PNCR 5564. Roel D. Castro, 94-1 PNCR 12224. Renato Gonzalez, 94-1 PNCR 10804. Rafael A. Racelis, 94-1 PNCR 11977. Robert Maniego, 95-1 PNCR 15029. Sito Narboada, 95-1 TDII 13315. Alan Manguba, 97-1 PXI 20349. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, seen via satellite in over 49 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA 7 Manila, TV 7 Batanes, TV 13 Aparil, TV 5 Ilocos Norte, TV 7 Tuguegarao, TV 7 Abra, TV 5 Mountain Province, TV 7 Quirino, TV 5 Payumbong, TV 10 Benguet, TV 5 Paler, TV 10 Olongapo, TV 12 Batanga, TV 7 Naga, TV 12 Legazpi, TV 7 Romblon, TV 7 Masbate, TV 13 Occidental Mindoro, TV 13 Catanduanes, TV 8 Coron, Palawan, TV 12 Puerto Princesa, Palawan, TV 6 Brooks Point, Palawan, TV 44 Halahala, Rizal, TV 48 Mount Canyao, Bantay, Ilocos Sur, Visayas, TV 5 Calbayo, TV 8 Boronga, TV 10 Tacloban, TV 12 Leyte, TV 2 Calibo, TV 5 Rojas, TV 6 Iloilo, TV 13 Bacolod, TV 7 Cebu, TV 11 Bohol, TV 10 Sipala, TV 5 Dumaguete, Mindanao, TV 10 Surigao, TV 11 Iligan, TV 2 Tandal, TV 4 Dipolo, TV 12 Cagayan de Oro, TV 5 Ozami, TV 12 Kitanglan, TV 3 Pagadian, TV 5 Davao, TV 12 Cotabato, TV 8 General Santos, TV 9 Zamboanga, TV 12 Polo. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network. Now, signing off.
Ang tugong gumuhit ng ating kasaysayan, ng ating pagkatao, ng ating lahi, ay ang dugo ng kabayanihan. Mula sa mga bakas na iniwan ng ating mga ninuno, ating ipinagpapatuloy ang kanilang nasimulan sa mga paraang hinihingi ng anumang panahon. Taglay ang itinama ng kagitinan at inspirasyon. Dahil ang apoy na sumiklab ilang siglo na ang mga likas ay nabubuhay pa rin sa atin hanggang ngayon. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.